Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to create value stream maps in Lucidchart step by step. Start by heading to your Lucidchart homepage. You can either open a new blank document or click Templates in the left navigation menu to browse the template gallery. For this tutorial, we'll build from scratch, so open a new blank document. Once your document is open, you'll need to enable the value stream mapping shape libraries. Look at the bottom of the shape menu on the left side of your screen and click More Shapes. The Shape Library Manager will pop up showing all available libraries with checkboxes. Enable any libraries that have flowchart and process diagram shapes. These work well for value stream maps. Click Save to confirm. Now add the key entities to your map. From the Shape menu on the far left, drag shapes onto the canvas to represent your customers, suppliers, and process steps. These are the foundation of your value stream map. Next, label each shape. Double-click any shape and type the entity name. Things like customer, supplier, or store inventory. A cursor will appear inside the shape, ready for text input. Time to connect them. Click and drag from a red connection point on one shape's border to another shape. This creates a connecting line with an arrow showing direction. These lines represent material and information flow between your entities. Now add any additional value stream map symbols you need. Drag more shapes from the library to represent inventory levels, data boxes, or timeline elements. Add your metrics next. Click near any process box and add a text box to annotate it with timing data, cycle time, lead time, wait time, whatever metrics matter for your analysis. For example, add a lead time value of 2 hours next to the relevant process box. Finally, if you're creating both current state and future state maps, differentiate them visually. Use the Fill Color option in the formatting toolbar at the top to color-code different states. Highlight new or improved processes with a green background, or create separate pages using the page tabs at the bottom of the canvas. Here are a few tips. Value stream maps help you spot where value gets added versus where there's waste. Once your map is done, share it with your team using Lucidchart's sharing features so multiple people can view and edit it together. You can also export the map or present it directly from Lucidchart to stakeholders. Thanks for watching.